If you've been following the transformation on this porch to a laundry room, well, now we're going to put some laminate flooring in. Some tools is needed. You might want to have miter saw, have your table saw. This tool right here, you can use that to cut your laminate flooring with. And want some knee pads, of course, a ruler, maybe a knife, and then pointing tools, pry bar, tap block, like a rubber hammer. Contour gauge is good to have when you need to cut around doors and different places. This is another gadget, like a contour gadget, so you can get around like your walls are uneven or wavy or whatnot. Of course, a pencil or something to mark it with. I like to use a little square sometimes to help square things up. Also, I want you a scraper. Scrape your floor good to make sure the floor is clean. Say like if you had drywall drop on the floor or anything, or glue or whatever you had on the floor, get you a scraper. One last tool, if you have an isolating tool or a jigsaw, so you can cut around like your vents in your floor. Some spacers are good to have, but I'll show more about these spacers once we start installing the laminate flooring. Very first thing you want to do is get your laminate flooring and leave it in the room that you're going to be installing it in, so it can get acclimated to the room temperature. Besides your laminate flooring, you're going to want to have an underlayment. Underlayment come in different types. You have this type. You can also buy it in a roll form. You won't put underlayment down before you put your laminate flooring in. Put your laminate flooring down. There is some seaming tape. We have seams. Seaming tape you put right here on your seams. Some laminate flooring, it comes with the tape in it. You just pull it back and flip it over and tape it to the next piece. This piece, this particular laminate flooring, you have to buy your tape separate.